Okay, so I went ahead and I switched up the calculator I had on here. The one we had didn't allow you to do switch between sample and population. So now it goes to this site, which is called Calculator Soup. I don't know, it was just the best one I could find. And it allows us to get all the things we need. So my bad on the first one. Basically we have two different ones we're going to use. So you have this Quartile Calculator. So this is going to give you all your 5-number summary type stuff. So let's just say we had I'm just going to make up a random set of data. So you just type it in. You do need to use commas on it. So let's say we have a set of data like this. Type it in, press calculate, and boom, we got our 5-number summary. Now, it is organized a little bit different here. So just to be clear, your minimum is your minimum, your maximum is your maximum. That's pretty obvious. First and third quartile would be like your Q1 and your Q3. And then second quartile is the same thing as median. So notice these will always match each other. It says it right here, Q2. So it just kind of lists them in a little bit different order. It does also directly give you the IQR. Not like that's hard to calculate. It's just 9 minus 4 there. But gives you an easy way to get all these things. And then let's say we have the same data set. I'm just going to copy it, go back to my statistics here. And then if you want to do the standard deviation, pick the standard deviation calculator, put your data in, just copy it in. And now you can select whether your data is a population or a sample. That's like the difference between the SX and sigma X type thing. So if we do a sample population, boom, it'll calculate it. It'll give us the sample standard deviation. It'll also give you the mean that you want. And then if instead it was a population, you click and you'll notice all these numbers will stay the same, but the standard deviation is now going to change according to the fact that it's a population now. So this will just work a little better. I just kind of like this one better, I guess. Plus, it allows you to toggle between the two. So just a different option for you. So I took the other one off, put this one on, and this should kind of fix that problem for everybody.